Welcome back, everybody, and welcome to the side of the road. And thank you for joining us. This is going to be the Bald Rock Heritage Preserve. So we're parked right here, literally right below the overlook. It's not even 2/10 of a mile from where we're parked up around the corner to the overlook itself. I'll tell you what I am most excited about, though, is that there is nothing posted saying I can't use a drone. And I am really excited because it's wide open for as far as you can see. So I'm definitely going to send my drone up and get some great footage. Been looking forward to that because the other stops for today you can't use your drone at, and I'm not going to break the rules because the fine is just way too steep. One thing to note, though, this area is pretty much known for its graffiti. It has decades and decades of graffiti on this overlook. I'm going to do my best to blur out or completely just remove any footage that has anything derogatory or wrong that I shouldn't have on YouTube. But if I miss anything, I do apologize. From what I've seen, it is extensive. So I will do my best. But so we're going to hike up around the corner here and set up and see what kind of views we get. Thank you, everybody who's new to the channel. I appreciate you coming out and joining us. If you leave a like, subscribe to me, and leave a comment, let me know what you think. As long as you guys are going to keep watching, I'll keep hiking out here and doing these videos. But we're going to go ahead and get started. I will see you at the top.
I was never one for defacing property.
No.
Oh, look, there's a chicken.
Oh, hang on. I gotta get the chicken. Show me the chicken. Oh, all right, YouTube. Eat chicken.
And flowers.
And flowers. There we go. Move down a little bit. Yeah, so today was all about the views. So far, we've got really good ones. Really wanted to get up on top of that, but that'll be another day. And it's just a very slight breeze. I think I could probably put the drone in here. Let's go find out. All right, so this was our stop here at the Bald Rock Heritage Preserve overlook. Like I said, an absolute ton of graffiti, but again, I'm gonna do my best to remove. There were a few things that I wasn't happy to see, but overall, I was kind of impressed that most of it was just dates, class graduations, who's been here, who loves who, all kinds of stuff. And there were a few little artistic renderings that actually are kind of cute. So overall, wasn't really disappointed. The views, though, I mean, as you can see with the drone footage and everything else, are stunning. Even though it's starting to cloud up right now, still beautiful views as far as you can see. I will say our next stop is going to bring us up to Caesar's Head, and I'm hoping we can get up there before the cloud cover really gets dense, because I've heard with Caesar's Head you can see all the way to Greenville on a really clear day. So we'll see if we can do that. So we're going to go ahead and head out, get back to the car, and hit the road. But I appreciate everybody coming out. I hope you enjoyed the drone footage, and I will see you guys next time. Have a good day.